Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Today we have the new dollar days. New dollar days. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. We're almost at 23,000 subscribers. That's nuts. Let's keep growing the community, keep growing the channel, and let's just jump in to our dollar days. Now, well, starting February 12th, so still going through tomorrow, starting February 12th through the 25th, and here we go. The classic pencil tire gauge, $1, normally $1.29, 22% off. Now we have the original Stick Tech 60-foot by 3/4 inch industrial grade electrical tape, heavy duty, temperature 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 176 Fahrenheit, voltage grade 6,000 volts. Don't think I'd seen that. 49% off, $1, normally $2. And then one of the HARBRO favorites, the $1 puzzle set, 32% off, normally $1.50. Puzzle set contains one of 6 designs shown. And correct me if I'm wrong, is there some new designs? We have 6 sets, and I believe it's 3 different options per set. So we have 3 dinosaurs, T-Rex, Stegosaurus, Triceratops, got monkey. So it looks like animals, military, automobiles, a lot of different fun options to choose from. Which of the HARBROs pick some of these up? I try to pick them up whenever they're on sale for $1, just because it's fun. 32% off. And then we have the 1-inch steel spring clamp, $1, normally $1.29, 22% off. The 6-inch microfiber applicator pad with pocket for $1, normally $1.50, 32% off. The jumbo bike utility hook for $1, 49% off, normally $2 compared to Hillman. The 1/4 inch brass industrial plug, $2, normally $2.99, 33% off, choice of female or male. We have Vanguard 125 volt 15 amp plug connector, your choice, also female or male, $2, normally $3, 33% off. Western safety glasses, available in 3 colors, smoke yellow or clear, $1, normally $1.99, 49% off. Going on to Pittsburgh Pro lifetime warranty, automatic center punch with brass handle, $3, normally $4, 24% off. 4.5 inch, it's okay, 40-pound suction cup lifter, $3, normally $4.49, 33% off compared to Marshalltown. 8-ounce stubby hammer from Pittsburgh, your choice of either claw or ball peen, $3, 24% off compared to Performance Tool. Put that in your mini toolbox. Then we have the 81mm round magnet, $4, normally $6, 33% off. And we will do a little bit of a deeper dive in this one. Curious to see what the usages are for these. Used to make trailer lights, clever. No more latch to mess with to open the gate. I simply attach this 95-pound magnetic pull magnet to the gate and a plate of steel to the post. So solid you think it's fencing where a gate should be, but a harder quick pull and the gate opens. Interesting. Here's the classic. Use it to store some long drill bits for wood. Use the magnet to attach a light to my tractor. Great for picking up lost nails and screws. Here we got some great tool storage, $4, 33% off. Did it say 95-pound magnet? General purpose magnet for countless applications. 95-pound magnetic pull through hole screw and hook for special applications, stamped and forged 14-gauge sheet steel. Very impressive. We're gonna test that. Chicago Electric lead-free rosin core solder, $4, 6% off, normally $4.29. 3.6 Rotkin. Franklin 40-inch by 50-inch moving blanket, $4, normally $5, 19% off. Moving to Hallmaster assorted length elastic stretch cords, 12-piece for $5, 28% off, normally $7. And then we have the Pittsburgh 10-inch groove joint pliers for $5, normally $7, 28% off. Of course, lifetime warranty. With this interesting Franklin king-size mattress bag for $5, normally $8, 37% off. King-size mattress bag to move when you're transporting, I guess, your king-size mattress. Interesting. Pittsburgh again, lifetime warranty cushion grip screwdriver set, 12-piece. That's 50 cents per screwdriver Curtis Jackson, normally $8, 24% off. Did it for sure. Then we have the Warrior 12-inch quick change hex bit extension, $6, normally $10, 39% off. With a Ranger full coverage disposable protective suit for $7. Normally $11, 36% off is excellent. Normally, well, available in extra large and double XL. And actually, this is another one. I'm curious what we are using it for. Looks like for painting, protection from fiberglass. That guy's the man. Wow, everyone's just posing. I guess when you have a dirty job. Mike Rowett, get a full coverage disposable suit, only $7. Great deal, 36% off. Then we have, rounding out the dollar days, One Stop Gardens 27-inch round nose mini shovel with comfort grip handle. $7 is a crazy deal. I think I got a mini shovel at Home Depot for like $15. Normally $10, 29% off. Centex half amp 12-volt automatic battery maintainer for $8. Normally $10, 19% off. And then a Hercules alert, brand new 2.5-inch bimetal wide cup blade for oscillating multi-tools at $9, normally $10, 9% off compared to Dremel. That's a Dyatlov deal. And those are the dollar days. Great price for the Pittsburgh 12-piece 10-inch groove joint pliers. Magnets are always fun to figure out different uses for them. Let me know what the HARBROs do. Then, of course, stubby hammer, solid. Suction cup lifter, love it. And then some classic spring clamps. 1-inch spring clamps with can come in useful around the house. Of course, the $1 puzzle set. What are the HARBROs gonna get? Any of these that you pick up normally when they're available on the dollar days, let me know. We will briefly peruse the new tools, because again, we peruse the new tools. Anybody get their Icon Professional Mini Soft Grip Pick Set, Hook Set in green? Anybody yet? These are nice. They look nice. And then this, they're switching it up. Green is a new color, and was metallic red not part of this before? It's showing as a new color, the Super Duty Daytona at $290. But anyways, I'll leave it at that, HARBROs. This is starting the 12th through the 25th. Those are our dollar days here going through basically the rest of February. Let me know what you're going to get. Happy Harbor Freighting, happy shopping. Anybody doing their $100, spend $100, get 20% off deal, let me know. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will let you know. And I will send them your